shit, dog, it's really
Early start this morning, 5:30 at the office for a big delivery coming down from the factory. So we've got over 1,000 boxes to unload this morning. So a whole team coming in and we'll show you some of the process.
silver lining, only see the gold. I don't speak in caps, dog, everything bold. And I put that on myself cause it's a life that I done chose. I said come through, you can see me on the slide. Thought I told him that's the shit that I can't let slide. You gon' make me say it again.
Wow, you can really dance.
Delivery today. All the boys have come together, giving everyone a hand. Where is Tommy and Lou?
Tommy, Lou, where are ya?
Tommy, Lou, where are ya?
And we can't make no amends.
So we just got to Xpel where today we're here for the reveal of the Porsche Carrera Cup GT with Max. So we're sponsoring Max, we're going to be putting a floor under it at Silverstone. So we're just here for the reveal today and you'll see later on what's going on with the car press day and we'll be doing lots of content around that. So stay tuned, we're going to show you as much as we can the new Porsche Carrera Cup.
I'ma keep winning, winning. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. Yeah, you gon' need 100 men, 100 scopes, 100 kids.
It's now Sunday morning, we've just arrived at the Harbour Hotel for the Stuttgart South Porsche meeting hosted by Aventive Events and the studio. So we're going to show you as much as we can. We're presenting our tiles to a lot of these clients here and there's some cool stuff. There's a Princess yacht coming as well, so we'll show you as much as we can.
Real can't fake that. Who you know putting fear in them like this? You a vampire, still suck when you bite this. Lord forgive me for my sins, I'm feeling righteous. But they been next to me to show me I might just. They didn't think I could do it, I had to demonstrate how the flow is so heavenly, keeping demons straight. Who they fooling? I showed them the jig is up again. When I asked them who is the best to get this to stuttering, tell them
I'ma keep winning, winning. I'ma keep winning, winning. I'ma keep winning, winning.
I'm the jig is up again. When I asked them who is the best to get this.
Guys, that's the event done, and now we're going to help Garage Dog pack their stuff away.
You can try to save yourself, but you only gon' play yourself. You can try to save yourself.
It's Monday morning, 6 AM. Me and Adam are just at the office packing up his van and then we're down to Silverstone to set up a floor for Max Birds, who's racing in the Porsche Carrera Cup. So stay tuned, we're going to show you us laying that floor and show you some highlights from the press day down at Silverstone. As you can see, we're leaving these tiles in separate patches, so instead of interlocking it all together, we're leaving it in pieces like this. So as soon as the cars go out for their test event, we're going to drag this into the pits, get it into position for when the cars come back. So the good thing with these tiles, you can move them around and relay them nice and easy. So we'll show you that once we fill it in as well.
Bad forgiving, cause you didn't think yourself, that's a bad decision. I don't see no one in front of me, you is a ghost. You ain't got a soul, whoa. Always say that they gon' come for me, knowing they won't, they doing the most, whoa. Chasing my, gotta get, already, not selling my, you on the, y'all moving, ready to, whoa.
I'm the main event, ain't no back before, let's get it. Heartless in the G, yeah, better get lost, don't get with it. Ain't nobody in front of me, ain't nobody in front of me, ain't nobody in front of me, ain't nobody in front of me. You can try to prove me wrong and try to give respect, but who we looking for if there was no one left? Ain't nobody in front of me, ain't nobody in front of me, ain't nobody in front of me, ain't nobody in front of me.
This my game won't stop, no, I can't fit in your box, whoa. That's demolish shop, froze, set the scene, no plot, hoes, whoa. Please don't blame me, cause when I let the beat out, you think I'm crazy. But none of you critics gon' faze me, so when I talk like this, don't blame me, I know I'm bad with it, go against a goat, that's bad business. All of y'all are jokes so sad with it, to me you're just a ghost, don't get mad with me. Just, it's in my, gotta get, already, not selling my, you on the, y'all moving, ready to, whoa.
So we're just going to introduce Max to you, who we've sponsored for this year in the Porsche Carrera Cup. So we're just on the press day at Silverstone and he's getting used to the car. And yeah, we'll be working with him at a lot of events this year.
Yeah, so I just had the first session this morning, ended up I think 9th overall, which is sort of midway through the pack, but it was my first day in the car really, so I'm still learning everything. But it's the 992 GT3, so it's about 500 horsepower, about 1200 kilos, so it's a real animal. But yeah, I look forward to working with Harry this year, and hopefully we can get him some more business.
As you can see, it's been a crazy week this week. I hope you've enjoyed the insights of what we've done this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button, and then we'll have another video out for you next week.